One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be reviewing Busties breast tape. It's supposed to help lift your girls up. So first of all, we're not going to do this. We're not going to be looking like this. No, we're not about to be sitting around. I'm about to turn it up a notch. So sit back and watch me transform myself with the Busties tape. The Busties tape comes with one roll of breast tape, one pair of reusable silicone lifting nipple covers, 4 pair of satin flower nipple covers, and one skin sensitive test kit. As you can see that you can use this in 5 different ways. You can make it round, seamless, lifted, add some cleavage, a little peekaboo, and keep it high. So this is actually a before picture of me wearing my dress without any tape, without a bra on, everything. It's just the girls are just hanging. They're just hanging. So we're gonna give them a little help. We're gonna use this Busties tape to transform this look. Okay, as you can see, yeah, you can tell that I'm feeling myself. The girls have been lifted, so I'm loving the tape. You guys can get this tape on Amazon. I will leave the link in my description below. And get you some to give your girls a little lift and lift up your little self-esteem. How about that? Thank you guys for watching, and I will chat with you all in the next video. Bye.
Go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. I don't need convincing at all, because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart?